false pictures for money making pictures. On my legs, throw your hands in the air. Got Patron in my cup, and I don't give a fuck about this bitch in the club, right? In the club, right? This for false pictures for money making pictures. On my legs, throw your hands in the air. Got Patron in my cup, and I don't give a fuck about this bitch in the club, right? In the club, right? For money making pictures.